Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 74. Today we are starting Unit 14 and our topic is writing a diary. Unit 14, Lesson 1. Listen and speak. Listen to your teacher. Raise your hand if her sentence is true. Cross your arms if her sentence is false. Look at this picture. It's rainy day. Yes. Look at outside. It is rainy day. So all the students raise their hands. And look at this picture. It is cloudy day. No, it is not cloudy day. So these students cross their hands. So look at your B part. Hide something behind your back. Let your friend guess what it is. Do you have a piece of chalk behind your back? No, I have a pencil. Okay, now look at your C part. Talk about yesterday's and today's weather. What do you think it will be like tomorrow? Example, yesterday it was rainy. Today it's cloudy. I think it will be cool tomorrow. So here we have some rainy, cloudy, windy, sunny, hot, cool and cool days. So yesterday it was rainy. Yesterday our weather is cloudy and today it's rainy, and I think it will be cool tomorrow because of winter. Okay, now look at Deepa sing this song. It's rainy, it's pouring. It's rainy, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He goes to bed to rest his head, and he does not get up in the morning. Now look at your page number 75, Unit 14, Lesson 2, Phonics and Words. A part, read the words with the magic A and AIS sounds. Match the pictures to the words. Here we have some words like cake, make, snake, late, plate, gate, give, and train, rainy, wait, tail, again, pain. So where's the cake? Cake is here, so match it like this. Where's the snake? Snake is here, so match it like this. And where's the rainy weather? This picture shows the rainy weather, so match it like this. And train, here's the train, so match it like this. Where's the tail? Tail is here, so match it like this. And where is the plate? Plate is here, so match the word plate with the picture of plate. Now look at your C part. Complete these sentences using the word from exercise A. Tom's father was dash for a train. Tom's father was waiting for a train. The train was dash and it was raining. The train was late and it was rainy. At last, Tom's father go home again. He was wet because of rainy day. Tom's mother gave him a towel and he got dry. She gave him a plate of cake too. And she gave him a plate of cake too. Okay, now look at D part. Color the pictures. How did they feel? Look at this picture. This man is worried and this boy is happy. This girl is angry. And look at this boy. This boy is feeling tired. And look at this girl. She's surprised. So you should color all these pictures. Now look at your page number 76. Today we are starting Unit 14, Lesson 3, Reading Mango Django Comes to Tea. A part, listen as you read Fiza's mother diary, then answer the question. Is Fiza telling the truth? First of all, we read the story and then we know, is Fiza telling the truth? Saturday. I'm worried about Fiza. I think she's telling lies. This morning we were in the kitchen. Can we make a cake tomorrow? She asked me. A monster is going to come to tea. Look at this picture. She's a Fiza and look at her mother. Fiza asked to her mother, can we make a cake tomorrow? And a monster is going to come to tea. And her mother replied to her Don't tell lies, Fiza, I said. There is no such thing as a monster. I am telling the truth. Fiza said, he's got red ears and 6 legs. I laughed and Fiza was angry with me. Don't be angry, I said. We will bake a cake anyway. In the afternoon, we were in the garden. The monster's going to come at 4 o'clock tomorrow, Fiza said. Don't tell lies, Fiza. Her mother replied to her, Don't tell lies. Fiza, I said, there is no such thing as a monster. And her mother, tell her, no, there is no such thing as a monster. I am telling the truth, said Fiza. I am not telling lie. He got green wings and a long blue tail. I smiled and Fiza was angry again. Then she ran away. Why is she angry with me? Why? Fiza is angry with her mother because Fiza is speaking truth to her mother. Okay, now look at page number 77. What happened on Sunday? What a funny day. We made a cake in the morning. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Fiza waited for the monster. She put the cake on a plate. She put some juice in the fridge. I made some tea. Where's your monster? I asked. He's late, said Fiza. He's late because it's raining. Look at this picture. This is rainy day, and because of rainy day, monster is getting late. He late, said Fiza. He's late because it's raining. I smiled. Just then the garden gate opened. A wet monster with red ears walked to the door. He had green wings, 6 legs, and a long blue tail. Hello, he said. I'm sorry I'm late. I dropped my plate in surprise. And who dropped the plate in surprise? The monster? The Fiza's mother, okay? Because she's surprising, she feeling surprised, so she dropped her plate. Okay. The monster smiled at us. Hello, my name is Mango Django, he said. He gave some flowers. Would you like tea or juice? I asked. Tea and juice, please, said Mango Django. And can I have a towel too? I gave him a towel and he ate it. Who gave him a towel? Fiza's mother gave him a towel and then he ate it because he likes to eat towel. Then we had a cake, tea and juice, and 6 o'clock he got up and went away. Thank you for having me, he said. So Fiza was telling the truth all the time. So in this story, we learn always speak the truth, and we all know what is truth and what is lie. So always speak truth, okay? And you all know the difference between truth and lies, okay? So look at B part. Take the sentence that are true and cross the ones that are false. Then change the false ones to make them true. A monster came to tea. Yes. Fiza made some bread. Cross. Fiza made a cake. Yes. The monster name was Sarah. No. He came at 4 o'clock. No. He gave mummy some sweet. No. He ate a towel and some cake. Yes. He drank some tea and cola. No. So your homework is read the story and read all difficult new words. Now look at your page number 78, unit 14, lesson 4, sentences. Complete the dialogue using the word in the box. You have these words: me, you, him, her, them, us. Okay. Mummy, it's Thursday. Tomorrow Sarah's birthday. I'm going to make her a cake. Daddy, that's nice. What's about Ali? He does not like cake. Well, I'm going to make him some pancakes, okay? Daddy, what about Fizza? She does not like cake or pancakes. I think I will make her some sweets. Daddy, and what about Tom and his sister? Yes, I'm going to make them because Tom and sister, they are not a single person. They are more than one. So we use them for both of them. Some mango ice cream. Daddy, what about me? Anything for me? You can have, Mummy, you can have cake, pancakes, sweet, and ice cream. Daddy, that's a lot of cooking. I will help you and then I will make them all a nice cup of tea. Now look at your C part. Ask and answer question about exercise A. Example, what is Mummy going to make for Sarah? She is going to make a cake. What is Mummy going to make for Sarah? She is going to make a cake. What is Mummy going to make for Ali? She is going to make pancakes. And what is Mummy going to make for Fizza? She's going to make a she's going to make a sweets. And what is Mummy going to make for Tom and his sisters? She's going to make a mango ice cream. And what is Mummy going to make for Daddy? What is Mummy going for Daddy? You can have cake. Going to make a pancake, cake, sweets, and all these things. So now look at your page number 79. Page number 79. Unit 14, lesson 5, writing. On Friday, Sarah wrote a diary. Complete it using was or were. Yesterday was my birthday. So you write first word is capital. So you write here Y is in capital letter. Okay. Yesterday was my birthday. Full stop. Then you also so this sentence is complete. Yesterday was my birthday. So you put full stop here, and after full stop you write first word in capital letter like M, not small m. You write it capital M here, MUMMY. Just first word is capital. Okay, after full stop. Daddy, Ali, Fizza, Tom and his sister dash at my party, were at my party. Then again full stop. So you write M capital here. My friend Sonia was here too. We were surprised because a monster came. Then again you write full stop here, capital letter here. His name was Mango Jango. He was a nice monster. We were all very happy to see him. Okay. Now look at your C part. Who ate what at the party? Remember to use commas. Who ate cake? Mummy, Daddy, Sarah, Tom and his sister ate cake. Who ate pancakes? Ali liked pancakes. And who ate sweets? Fizza ate sweets. And who ate mango ice cream? Tom and his sister. Okay. Now look at your D part. Keep a weather diary. Write a sentence about today, yesterday and tomorrow. Draw a picture too. Today is Tuesday, so it is rainy day. So yesterday was Wednesday or Thursday. Yesterday was Monday, so it was like if it was a cloudy day, so you match it like this. Okay, you do it by your own self. Example, today is Monday, it is sunny and hot. Yesterday was Sunday, it was cloudy and cool. Tomorrow will be Tuesday, I think it will be hot again. Do you work very neat and clean handwriting. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.